through some tips for note-taking in class. It's a good idea to follow some guidelines for note-taking. One thing it does help is that some lecturers will provide course or lecture handouts which can be found on Moodle before you get to the class. So you should try and look over these before you get there, as this will make taking your notes a lot easier because you'll know what's coming up so you can be better prepared. Also, try not to write everything down but focus on the key points of the lecture. This will usually be pointed out. These can include things like theorist names or examples of work, sometimes dates, and so on. It's also a good idea to copy down any information the lecturer writes on the whiteboard or smartboards. Also, if the lecturer uses a PowerPoint, why not get a copy of the slides? Sometimes it can be difficult to take all these notes down, so why not try and use a dictaphone or your mobile phone to record the lecture, but remember and ask permission before you do this. When writing your notes, try and keep them as clear as possible, as this will help you later when you need to revise. Also, try and not make the page too cramped, as you can also then go back and add more notes should you need it. Also, maybe try highlighting some of the keywords, phrases or terms that come up, as this will help you to remind you of the information in the lecture and make it more clear in your own mind. Also, it's also a good idea to check over any of your notes with textbooks or course handouts. This will help you remember the information more clearly, but also reaffirm any ideas that have come up. Also, try speaking to some of your friends and compare class notes, as you may have missed something and this is a good way of catching up on any information. Once you've got all your notes together, try reorganising them, as this will help to get them in a nice format for when you come to study. Once you've reorganised your notes, review your notes. Again, refer back to your course handouts and any textbooks, as this will also help you to study. So, when it comes to times for exams, you're well prepared. Therefore, it makes the exams at the end of term and also any class tests in between a lot easier, and you're not as nervous either, which makes good help. So good luck with your note taking. Also, there's 2 or 3 guides that you can download below for future reference, and these will give you quick clues on how to note take in different styles. Thank you.